Hi, if you need to enable or disable beauty mode on your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, then you would need to open camera and flip it to go in the selfie mode. After that, you can see this layer icon, which is for editing. So we can see the filters tab, face and color tone. In filters, we have many options as warm, cold, we have black and white options, and now we can also adjust its strength. Just drag the slider like that. After that, you can also go in the color tone and switch to the bright, for example. Now, in the face, we just need to turn it on first. And now we can make some adjustments. For example, we can add smoothness to the face. We can change the tone. We can adjust the jawline appearance and even eyes appearance. So to save the changes, it is just enough to use this arrow back. And now you can use your beauty filters. To disable it, you will need to go back to this LED section and here turn off those face adjustments. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.